Now, 10th question. Human arm is homologous to. Homologous means structure is same, functions are different. Now, human arm, our arm, let us see. Seal flipper, flipper of seal, yes. What do you call this? Structurally, they are similar. This we can consider. Octopus tentacle, not at all, no bones, they are invertebrates. Bird wing, again it can be considered. So human arm is homologous to seal flipper as well as bird wing. Both A and C, yes, both A and C is the answer. 11th one, development of different functional structure from a common ancestral form, is differential evolution, adaptive radiation, non-adaptive radiation, regressive evolution, adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation, let us study something about adaptive radiation. In our book we have an excellent example of Darwin's finches, a kind of bird. He observed it in Galapagos Island. The birds were same, but he observed there was slight variation in the structure of its beak. Then he analyzed that the variation, why? Because to adapt with the different feeding habit. Maybe some of them were insectivorous, some were dependent on grains. So like this. So there is slight change in their beak structure. So the answer is adaptive radiation. Ancestors are common. Coming to question number 12. Australian marsupials are example. Again, Australian marsupials, they are also example for adaptive radiation. Homologous radiation, analogous, adaptive, convert. Adaptive radiation. 13th one. Adaptive radiations refer to, see, again they have asked. I told you earlier that adaptive radiation means it is change in their body part, any changes with respect to its surrounding, or maybe it's their habit. It may be habit or habitat. Let us see here. Adaptations due to geographical isolation, evolution of different species from a common ancestor, migration of the members of a species to different geographical areas, and D option, power of adaptation in an individual to a variety of environment. Yes, this is the answer. When and who wrote the book Origin of Species? Knowledge based. The Origin of Species book is written by Darwin, we know that. Mendel in 1809, Wallace in 1858, Lamarck in 1869, Darwin in 1859. Generally, they don't ask the year, but Darwin is the answer. 15th, the present concept of evolution is known as. What is present concept of evolution? Present concept of evolution, let me explain you. We call it as Neo-Darwinism. Neo-Darwinism. We know the concept of Darwinism, Darwin's nature. But all the concepts are not exactly correct. So we have taken a part of that. And today's discovery with respect to genetics, you know that Hugo de Vries mutational theory, both of them are combined and we call it as Neo-Darwinism. It is the synthetic theory. Let us go to option. The present concept of evolution is known as Neo-Darwinism theory. Right. Synthetic theory, this is also correct. Modern concept, this is, so all of the above must be answered. 16th one, philosophy zoologic. Book was written by, again, knowledge based. It is written by Lamarck. Wallace, Charles Darwin, Lamarck. So Lamarck is the answer. Coming to 17th one, which concept was not included in Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection? Survival of fittest, it is Darwin's theory. Struggle for existence, it's a part of natural selection. Overproduction of offspring also part of natural. Genetic equilibrium, yes, it's not the part of natural selection. It is by Hardy-Weinberg. We also call it as Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium.